Running a business is tough. It's a constant juggle of tasks, tools, and marketing, and your tech should make your life easier, make you more money, and reduce your overwhelm rather than add to it. That's where TekMatix comes in, the all-in-one online business marketing and course creation platform that makes your business run like clockwork. TekMatix provides everything you need to generate leads, market, nurture, and sell, all in one convenient place. TekMatix can host multiple websites and funnels for you. It's your customer record management system, social media auto posting tool, unified inbox, appointment booking system, email marketing system, online courses and coaching platform, affiliate manager, automation system, blogging platform, ads manager, and much more. You can even make your own custom branded mobile app for your students to access your courses, podcasts, and resources on the go. You can say goodbye to tech headaches and hello to TekMatix, the most feature-rich all-in-one business, marketing, and course creation software on the market. The best part? You can create unlimited courses, have unlimited contacts, sell physical or digital products and services, offer membership subscriptions, and benefit from social media message syncing and messenger bots. You'll get free onboarding from our team of techsperts, free training, 24-hour support services, and with a migration service available, the transition to TekMatix is quick and easy. So make your business bigger, better, and simpler by grabbing your 14-day free trial today and see for yourself how TekMatix can transform your business.